Henna. Welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions with the Henna guys. Today we're going to be talking about if you've previously colored your hair with chemical hair dye, if you're able to then color over it with henna. You absolutely can. We do recommend doing a strand test to see what the color will look like over that chemically dyed hair. You can do this a few ways. You can take some strands of hair from your hairbrush, kind of ball them up and dye them that way from 1 to 3 hours. You can take a small strand of hair from behind your ear and dye it that way, again, leaving it on from 1 to 3 hours depending on the vibrancy of the color that you're going for. It may take a little bit longer to get that desired color that you want with henna. Henna will have to strip the chemical hair dye from your hair. Typically, it takes around 2 to 3 applications to get that vibrant color because you've dyed your hair with chemical dyes. With that being said, we do recommend not doing a chemical hair dye followed by a henna hair dye back to back. It's best to wait a few weeks so that chemical hair dye does start to fade naturally, and that when you go in with the henna, it is a little bit easier because the chemical hair dye has started to fade a little bit. And as always, while chemical hair dye can be really drying and cause split ends, going in with henna will repair any damage. It's very strengthening and very healing to the hair shaft. That's it for this frequently asked question with the henna guys. Stay tuned for more.